Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes. We're going to be doing a double jive clip showing you how to do a lady spin, and that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now effectively, because you're doing a lady spin as usual in the right hand, obviously you're doing something slightly different when you're in the left hand, but actually it's just a flick spin. So if you can already do a lady spin and a flick spin in normal singles, this is just doing the lady spin in one hand while you do a flick spin in the other. So let's put that together. We go semicircles and back. We take both hands over to the right, so we're twisting the ladies to their left. We could move their centers, or we could leave them on the spot. Both versions are going to work. We can take the hands over to the left and let go. One tip for doubles, ladies, always keep an eye out with your spare arms that you don't end up clouting your female partner. So as we take the hands through, you want to be careful about keeping those arms in, folded in. Ladies go round, guys of course catch, and then it's return the ladies and back. One other good tip is that when that spin happens, instead of catch and step back, catch and twist left. So do a twist instead of a step back, and you'll find you're much more likely to keep everybody together. So let's see that from the other side and talk numbers. We go semicircles and back. 1, prep to the right. 2, spin the ladies. 3, catch with a twist. 4, returning. 5 and back with a step. 6. So let's do that to a count together. Here we go. 5, 6, a lady spin. We go a back, prepare, spin, catch, return and back, and that's it for the double jive lady spin. Hope you've enjoyed that. We will be back next time with another double jive move. Music recommendation on the end. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We really do appreciate everybody who does that, because it does help promote the channel. So thank you very, very much everyone who does that. And finally, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.